Oh, right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Effective. Effective. Something that works and its impact is felt. So, I have an effective lesson, for example. That is an effective poison. Yeah. Poison, yeah. This tea is effective at waking me up. Waking me up. Yeah. How cool is that? All of these effective ingredients are needed. Yeah. These plans are effective. With an effective plan, we can do a lot of things. Yes. But we still need an effective strategy. Effective strategy to achieve things. Yeah. Quite important. This ink is effective. This is effective ink. Effective blue ink here. All this. Effective blue ink. This is effective blue ink. How cool is that? So, I have an effective idea. Effective idea. She is an effective teacher. He is an effective writer. Yeah, he writes a lot. He knows the techniques. They are all effective people. They are skilled at what they do. It is an effective tool. I always use it. It's an effective tool. I always use it. How cool is that? Yeah. So, that was an old effective instruction. It doesn't work anymore. It used to be effective, but not anymore. It is old and not many people use it now. Yeah, it's old. Move on. They are planning a new effective strategy. This new strategy is more effective than the previous one because more thought has gone into it. How cool is that? Soon, what used to be considered effective will change. Now, because things have moved on, that is not as effective, or that is not effective anymore. We might need to use a different tool because things have changed, really. Yeah, it was once effective and it did the job, but not anymore. It was once effective and did the job, but not anymore. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Effective. Yeah. So, something that works and impact is felt. Effective ingredient, effective rule, effective idea, effective strategy, effective tea. Yeah, it does a lot of stuff. Yeah, but not anymore. So, can you use effective in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.